Aerobatics.com. Ladies and gentlemen, inbound now from the right. For the first formation maneuver, please welcome Scott Farnsworth and Jerry Kirby at the QYON Aerosports. Completing the slot formation barrel roll. Let's watch as Jerry QYON 1 and Jerry Kirby and QYON 2 fly inbound for 2 consecutive formation loops. It's made ever so more challenging as they'll be doing so in the line abreast formation. And now from the left, the S-211s and the double line abreast loops. Marchetti in the press. Series that debuted just a couple of weeks ago in Rome, Georgia. We're going to watch as the smoke comes on as they set up this time for the in-trail consecutive vertical fusion.
Doing much what you saw Rebel. Now you'll see Gator doing here today. Gyro continues to fly the RPAA, the L39, and now the S-211 on the airshow circuit while racing jets at Reno.
Hours of flight time, literally dozens among dozens of different kinds of aircraft. The S-211, thank you for it. While it utilizes a non-afterburning engine, the S-211 has impressive turning performance using its lightweight and power of just 2,500 pounds of thrust. Completion of this full 360-degree transition over the air. And there's the rejoin right there. That's not an easy thing to do, cruising in especially.
We might just be the people for that.
Scott and Jive set up for their final pass. Their pitch up break to land, and your last opportunity to capture these two jet trainers on your campus here today.